We've done a basic kind of CAD to print workflow, but I think the punchline here is everyone saw me use the GUI, correct? The interesting thing is we've actually already generated all the Python and code needed to codify this entire workflow. So what does that mean? So we're going to come here, and through virtue of our engine, we're going to come in here and say, save this as D-Day. And we'll come over, go to our directory where we saved it, and we'll open it up. You'll see that this was generated today on a PST time zone. We brought in the step file, we moved it around, we clicked the color green, we clicked these two surfaces, added all of these constraints to this wall support, added these tree supports, did a quick 2D nest with 2 parts. Instead of nesting 2, let's go to a production workflow and nest 25. And instead of calling this HP, let's now just call this Anthony. And instead of slicing it, I just want to see it now. So we'll just comment this out. So hopefully this was all reasonably human readable. I'll come in here and say, Python, let's go run D-Day. And we'll see exactly what just happens. So the application will launch. It'll just run through it by importing in that CAD data. It'll generate the supports using that color and surface data information. And then it'll do a quick nest at 25. I mean, it's all literally happening faster than I can speak. And you can see we have Anthony 6 right here, and all the labels were changed.